That's baby Austin. He just came home today, January 13th. Is that right?
Today's January 12th.
January 12th? Don't touch. Don't touch. Baby Austin was born 7 pounds, 8 ounces. And his, go ahead, you can tell the camera. Go ahead. No? You're going to get shy? Okay. That's baby Austin. And that's Tyler. Say hi, Tyler.
Say, I'm the big brother.
I'm a big brother.
Show me the shirt. Do you know what it says?
Big brother.
That's
Number
right.
one.
Number one.
One, two, big. Big, down, up, down.
And there's your mommy.
Where's my mommy? Let's see it.
I'm right here.
See mommy. Where's your mommy, Daddy?
You want to see mommy in here? Okay. See mommy?
Pull my head.